Alright, today is Wednesday, December 17th, 2008. We're in Joshua Tree, California. Elevation about 2,500, about 40 miles east of Palm Springs. This is a Renegade Studios movie backlot. This is our Iraqi-Afghanistan village. Currently filming the production of Shoot the Hero. And this is the production today. You see the crane. You can see some of the lights. You see the props. Not a lot of shooting going on today. It's supposed to be a movie in the desert. This was a scene that was supposed to take place at a Mercenary training camp. And well, I guess it's too cold. The mercenaries have all gone home. Certainly the production crew is huddled down waiting for the snow to go away. But that's the scene here in Joshua Tree, California at Renegade Studios. Back to you.